Today we're making a favorite summertime dessert, key lime pie with a twist. We'll take a classic key lime pie recipe and we'll add tequila and Grand Marnier orange liqueur to make it an adult version of this favorite summertime dessert. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it.
My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens around the world. During the day, I work for Natalie's, a squeezed fresh juice company from Florida. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking.
Key lime pie. This classic dessert originated in Key West, Florida in the late 19th century. The original recipe was made from sweetened condensed milk, egg yolks, and lime juice. But we wanted to jazz it up just a bit, so we're adding tequila and orange liqueur to our recipe to make it even better. We'll top it off with whipped cream, mint leaves, and sliced limes for garnish. Traditional key lime pie uses a graham cracker crust, but we're going to make our own crust using pecans and melted butter. To get started, you'll need 4 ounces of unsalted butter melted, 8 ounces of pecans, which we'll crush, 21 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 3 egg yolks, 2/3 cup of Natalie's lime juice, 1 ounce of tequila, 1 ounce of orange liqueur, 2 heaping tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of lime zest, 1 lime for garnish, mint leaves for garnish, and whipped cream. For the equipment and utensils, you'll need a food processor, a tamper, which is optional, you can use your fingers, a tablespoon, a butter knife, a microplane zester, a shot glass, a 9-inch pie pan, a glass cup for the eggs, a ramekin or small bowl for the brown sugar, and 2 glass bowls for the pecans and the butter. Our first step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then put the pecans in the food processor and give it a chop. Put the chopped pecans into your glass bowl. Add in the brown sugar and the melted butter and give the mix a nice stir. Place the pie pan onto your board and begin to add the buttered chopped pecans into the pan 1 scoop at a time. Using a tamper or your fingers or your spoon, press the pecan mixture and spread it out evenly across the pan and up onto the sides. Place the pan into the oven and bake it for 10 minutes. While the crust is baking, get out your mixer. Add in the Natalie's lime juice and the eggs and give it a mix. Using the whisk attachment, beat the mixture for about 1.5 minutes. Add in the tequila, the orange liqueur, the sweetened condensed milk, and the lime zest. And give it another mix for about 1 minute. Add in a dash of salt and then give it one final quick mix. Remove the pie crust from the oven, but leave the oven on. Pour the key lime pie mixture into the warm pie crust. Use a spatula or your spoon to smooth out the edges of the filling. Then put the key lime pie into the oven and bake it for 10 minutes. After the key lime pie is finished baking, remove it from the oven and put it onto the stove to rest for 20 minutes. Put it into the refrigerator and let it chill for at least 2 hours. Overnight is even better. When the key lime pie is chilled, you're ready to slice it. The first slice is always the trickiest. it's difficult to get the cake knife under the first slice. So to help us with that, we'll use scissors to cut the edge of the pan. Pull the edge of the pie pan down and slide the cake knife under the first slice of pie. To decorate our plate, we added green food coloring to some whipped cream and put it into a squeeze bottle. Add a fresh slice of lime, whipped cream, and some fruit, and fresh mint leaves, and we're done. And there it is, key lime pie with a twist. Sweetened condensed milk, egg yolks, and Natalie's lime juice mixed with tequila, orange liqueur, and fresh lime zest. Baked in a pie shell made from crushed pecans, butter, and brown sugar. Garnished with sliced limes, whipped cream, fresh fruit, and mint leaves. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.